Good morning. It is January 19th, 2010, and it's the first major storm of the season. And we have a eucalyptus that has been cut to stump about 10-15 years ago, and it's grown out from the stump. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because once you've cut a stump to, it's a lot like topping. And what has happened here is the trunk mass has become unstable, and it's fallen apart right at dirt level from rotting, caused by basically a topping cut. It hasn't been able to grow in layers from the stalk. It's just has grown layers from the outermost ring of the stump, and as you'll see, it just falls apart. So in order to make this tree safe again is to remove this limb, of course, that has fallen, and also to do topping cuts again at about 15 feet high. See, as you can see, it's just, there was no anchor to the stalk. It just broke away right at the base. And as a result, it busted this fence up pretty good, and it fell into the street. And take one more pan out again. And I'll give you some perspective. There's a fence, and then of course the estimating crook. And this is off of Yanez and Santiago here in Temecula. All right, have a great day.